What's that noise?
The trains, I told you they talk. We're just too far away to hear what they're saying.
Good morning!
Annie, Clarabelle, there's Mr. Conductor. We found him.
Look, he's over here. Look,
Oh, Bunker, it's Junior.
Junior, look.
It's Thomas! Thomas! Now, don't look so surprised. I know you haven't seen me since...
You stuffed party poppers down my funnel.
Hey, we had a laugh.
You did.
You're talking to each other.
Ah, first prize. Lily, Thomas. Thomas, Lily. Now, where's my cousin?
Hi.
Hello, Lily. Welcome to Sodor.
Come on, Lily. I'm very at home on trains.
Annie, Clarabelle, I'll send Percy back to fetch you.
We've heard that one before. What's the matter?
Travel sickness.
What's that shining at the windmill?
Presto, Lily. I think it's my cousin.
Mr. Conductor! Mr. Conductor!
Thomas!
Thank throttles you're safe.
Come on, Lily.